Hi, thank you very much for joining us for this video. My name is David, spotless housekeeper. I have 18 years of experience in housekeeping. Welcome back to this channel. Please remember, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button and the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that we post new videos. Well, what's our topic today? Let's talk about cleaning. What is cleaning? Well, cleaning is defined as the removal of soil from a surface. It's basically that. Could be any surface, could be fabric, could be a floor, a wall, a table, piece of furniture. So that is what cleaning is. I'd like to bring in something else. Also, people talk about sanitizing or disinfecting. Well, what is sanitizing or what is disinfecting? Sanitizing is basically the removal of microorganisms from a surface, right? So cleaning, we've already talked about the removal of soil. Soil can be defined as anything. It's not the literal soil of the ground soil. It's any foreign matter on a surface. It could be food, it could be any debris. So that's soil. Now, sanitizing is whereby the soil has already been removed, and now you're talking about removal of microorganisms. Now, these are the ones that you cannot see with your naked eye. And that is what sanitizing is. So when you hear somebody tell you, please sanitize this place, remember, it needs to be cleaned first, and then next, sanitized. Alright? Thank you very much. It's exciting to share this information with you, and we look forward to sharing more and more information. So please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Remember, leave us a comment. Let us know what topics you'd like to hear us discuss, and we'll be happy to share that with you.